Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit that's underway in Gandhinagar today. It kicked off seeing major participation from major companies, Indian industrialists including Mukesh Ambani, chairman Reliance Industries, Lakshmi Mittal, Gautam Adani, who's the chairman of Adani Group, and of course N. Chandrasekaran, the Tata Sons chairman, are some of the major names that are really participating as far as the Gujarat summit is concerned. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also inaugurated the event today, and in his address he emphasized on how India really is on track to become the third largest economy globally. Here's an excerpt from the speech that he gave earlier in the day to all the dignitaries, global and Indian, who were present at the Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit. Take a look.
आज भारत दुनिया की 5th लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी है। 10 साल पहले भारत 11th पर था। आज दुनिया की हर प्रमुख रेटिंग एजेंसी का अनुमान है कि भारत अगले कुछ वर्षों में दुनिया की टॉप 3 इकोनॉमी में जाएगा। दुनिया के लोग जो एनालिसिस करना है करते रहे, मेरी गारंटी है कि हो जाएगा। एक ऐसे समय में जब विश्व अनेक अनिश्चितताओं से घिरा हुआ है, तब भारत दुनिया में विश्व की एक नई किरण बनकर के उभरा है।
It is my guarantee, says Prime Minister Modi as he speaks and of course addresses a gathering at the Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit. He says that it is his guarantee that India will soon be part of the top 3 global economies in the world. And my colleague Sumit Chaturvedi gives us a lowdown on all the big announcements that were made so far. So Sumit, big announcements really coming in from Mr. Lakshmi Mittal. Then there was some announcements also that came in from the Tata Group as well and Reliance. Take us through all of those announcements.
Vibrant Gujarat Summit 2024 has kicked off in Gandhinagar, Gujarat today. Many announcements were made, beginning with Suzuki Motor that is planning to invest 32,000 crore rupees for putting up a new plant in the state, and 3,000 crore rupees will be invested to put up a new assembly line in its existing plant here. Company will also roll out its first BEV, battery electric vehicle, from Gandhinagar plant or Gujarat plant only. Coming to Tata Group, it's excited about its prospects in future technology space, and it's planning to put up a plant here that is dedicated for semiconductors. Also, there will be a plant for batteries, also battery manufacturing for electric vehicle as well. Coming to Adani Group, Group will invest 2 lakh crore rupees, leading to generation of 1 lakh jobs. Reliance Industries is quite bullish about prospects when it comes to green technology, and sustainability and investments will be made there in green technology space. When it comes to big CEOs, they are quite bullish about prospects of India. India is aiming to become $5 trillion economy, and at this time, these kind of investments are really going to matter a lot. Well, all these investment are going to happen over a period of many years. But CEOs, as we spoke to them, they were bullish about prospects of Indian economy at the time when there is gloom and doom in many parts of the world. So India is clearly emerging as a ray of hope.